Hello friends. Welcome back to Tech with IQ. In this channel, we teach you simple social media hacks and tutorials. In today's video, we will teach you how you can clean up your computer by removing extra files from your computer. These files are called temporary files and they are stored in the memory of your computer and make your computer slow. These files need to be cleaned up time to time. For cleaning these files, type %temp%. Follow the same format as I have typed here. These are all the temporary files that are harmful to your computer as they slow down your computer. Now select all the files by pressing Ctrl and A. Now press the delete button from your keyboard. Confirm the deletion by clicking on the yes button. Here you go. Now, wait for all files to get deleted. I recommend refreshing your computer after completion for smooth working. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon.